thing here's got a what is it? 4-speed transmission. Got 2 speeds, high and low, and another high and low, and high and low here. Gear shift right now. It also has an air pump on it here. It's hooked up to 110 psi air here, and that sits off there. It's just an air pump. The main blade right now is, you should be back farther because that might some. It's got a brake on it that stops it immediately. Try to shoot it here at another speed here. Okay. Low speed there. Lowest speed. So that's basically it right now. I mean, I also want to run the blade welder. It's strapped to this skid right here. It comes with this nice big squaring attachment here. It has hand cranks here, and it has an air cylinder here to run it in and out. The way this power feed works on this machine is this piece here. You would remove this piece right here, and then slide this in here. This would slides in there like this, and then this piece here clamps on to the rods down there. Right now they're a little painted and rusty, and this pin right here pops up and engages this thing from down below down here on these things here, pushes it forward, slides it, power pushes that in against the blade. That's how that works. Okay.